Chief Minister N. Biren has adamantly pledged to enforce the rule of law against the perpetrators responsible for the ambush on the VIP protection group. N. Biren personally visited the driver of 1st MRCO Moirangthim Ajesh of Thanga Ngaram at Sija Hospital, who sustained injuries in the ambush near Kotlen Sinam village along National Highway number 37, Imphal Jiribam Road. Speaking to media, Chief Minister N. Biren, expressing his belief in the power of dialogue to restore peace, he asserted that despite the provocations, the government refrained from resorting to disproportionate retaliation against assailants. He further lambasted that the attack carried out on the Chief Minister Convoy is equal to the attack on the Chief Minister of the state and the people. He reaffirmed such attacks will no longer be tolerated by the government. He announced that the government will strategically take appropriate measures against the perpetrators to demonstrate the presence of the rule of law in the state, urging public support for these measures. Meanwhile, regarding his visit to Jiribam, N. Biren declined to provide details, stating that he will disclose the information at the appropriate time.
State government nahangri koi tawaya bakar tawaga yam ka hena koi retaliate tawte yaringa koi dum bhap tana dana understanding ama lakadra khot kadra wari watai sana bagi lambi su mayam lai bani na hai na koi lai bani adubu moi gi mawong ma to sidi state government pandra baduna state government ama lai tra baduna tawari mawong lak pasida ayam thina nungaite state ki machineries mayam state ki lady port mayam si am line kan dong na yam na usithoi da bagi mawong da karim ka thaina bagi yam toin towi adu khanga ga lak pani adu huji koi government kari da gud ge hai badu sab sana ana da gi di koi khara yam seng na hai ge manipur ki praja sing da koi mase ni amani bhap tana ka dra hanjan na ka dra hai bi wa koi leiram bani adu manipur ki biren gi na ta manipur chief minister amagi convoy advance party da khud thar pai bi se directly CM da attack taropanena lowe aduna akan mamong da condemn towi masidai da sarkar lepkadaba kanano sarkar gi mayok laigidaba kanano edu praja sing lepiro ekoi karigum khara rule of law state sida hanjal lakna adu honagani ai public mayam gi support ni jari.
Meanwhile, a family member of Moirangthim Ajesh accused Chief Minister, lambasting his decision to let the convoy advance to Jiribam before his arrival as a reckless disregard for their safety, essentially sentencing them to a potential doom. The family member further alleged that the Chief Minister neglected to spare a moment to engage with them and pleading for the rescue of the stranded security forces, questioning whether they needed to personally visit the Chief Minister's residence just to ensure their cries for help. The family member further accused the Chief Minister's hypocrisy, claiming his blatant disregard for the convoy's safety while he himself opted chopper for safety.
Masase azik siba tangba khangdri koi bullet longthokri bako rescue tawraga khoi gi asokpa se siba tangba di khangdri adubu hazing mafam je hosal da pubiak tan thamme mayam na aduga mayam changriba mayam sigi icha inau sing ko chakriba mayam se moi jo hazing danger do oi grabani na moi gi thawai kan binaba moi hana rescue to biu sini papung da haijaning isna adu haido haina bagi muktane ba khoina papung da wari sana pam bagi ne ba adu do unaba dugi haido haibim ta banglo da salo lao haidudi kari no habasi
Hozina Leisure Mafam Caesar Hospital and Research Institute Yam Level Team Todomada si Ayupung Taraga Makhairom Tabadwaida Chief Minister and Biren Singhi Special Convoy Timama Advance Oina Hariba Jiribam Tamna Lakpada Kotlen Namadi Sinam Kulgi Lona of the Levati Laizang Hariba area Sida Masakang Dava Kuki Kulai Pipe Singna Ambush Chatarpatigi Hariba First MRCOgi escort driver Moirangthim Aziz LS Bobo Sahi Kunganipan Apokpa Moirangthim Shamjai Thanga Ngaramdagi Hariba personnel asi Sokpadigi Hariba Caesar Hospital and Research Institute Sida emergency da Kalakibani Nasi Nuntilgi Pung Amagi Delhi to Imphal flight takoi Chief Minister N. Biren Singh Thunglar Matungda airport ki direct Caesar Hospital Fawba Laktuna escort driver Soklaba Moirangthim Aziz LS Bobogi Pibam Yingsin Balami Asok Pasigi Pibam Yingsin Balakpada Matamda Chief Minister N. Biren na Paungsing da Fungdong Matungina Manipur Thoiba Irang asi Lengang Oina Matam Matamgi strategy yatuna irang asi lakshinna ba honaduna lakuni adubu hariba attack asi leba amagi chief minister gi post amada tawraklabani makhata ba strategy adu miyamna adumak yengbiu khara akanba strategy ma soidana sizinaragani habuna hoi chief minister and Biren na phungtok pirami piramasi gi matang da pawamjari ba video journalist singkhai moirang sagal wenana ai Vincent nongthombam Caesar Hospital Langol